guys, welcome back to Stories of Lash. So today we're checking out Cajun on Wheels at Narragansett. They had this beautiful place at Cinnamon Gardens which is sadly closed down due to COVID, and they have relocated to Narragansett. This place is quite famous for their seafood, especially for their seafood bucket. But the new place is quite small, though they have worked on the interior. So sadly they only had fizzy drinks available, so we got a Coke and Sprite. So we ordered a soup meal which had dumplings, chicken, veggies and noodles. Everything was perfect flavor except for the noodle that tasted like starch. So this was a seafood bucket that we tried. They served fries, fish, cuttlefish, prawns, egg, meatballs, all sorts of seafoods. They served this with 3 varieties of sauces. This bucket filled us really quick and was more than enough for 2 of us. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed as said, please do subscribe. Bye bye.